This is a smoked candied pink lemon.
And I'm about to up your holiday beverage game right now. So these are pink lemons, and the variegated yellow and green skin is what they're known for. And if you can't find pink lemons in your area, you can just as easily pull this off with regular lemons, oranges, or grapefruit. Now slice your citrus super thin, about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch thickness. And pink lemons are less tart than regular lemons, with a more fruity, floral flavor, which makes them ideal for what I've got planned here. So here we go with the easy and quick recipe.
Add 1 cup of cane sugar and a cup of water.
Now take your neon pink food coloring and add a few drops. I added 5 drops here. Now whisk all this together and bring it to a simmer and then reduce to low heat. Next, you're going to want to add your lemons and simmer those for quite a while. I let these go for about 90 minutes to 2 hours until the flesh was translucent, and be sure to flip halfway through to get them evenly cooked. Now place these on a cooling rack and strain your simple syrup. And now take your paintbrush, and with your simple syrup, you're gonna send these candied lemons to the Bob Ross Treatment Center.
I've got the Traeger fired up to 180 degrees, basically smoke mode. So we're gonna get a nice layer of smoke on these.
And we're gonna let these go on the Traeger for about an hour, but you could definitely let them go longer.
All right, these turned out so good. Look at these. And you're probably wondering, what am I gonna do with these? You can eat them straight up, just like a Sour Patch Kid, or I'll do you one better. Cheers, everybody.
Here's to a crazy year of 2020. Let's make next year better.